According to your first question, we have to finding the missing number. It of course based on your reasoning classes. There has been a circle in which inside a small circle and some parallel line. We have to finding the missing number according to the place of what. First of all, we have to understand that how has been written this number in these boxes. When 64 subtract 22, then we get 42. Okay? Or 56 subtract 32, then we get 24. Okay? Or 87 by subtract 31, then we get 56. Then we can of course write 68 subtract 32 equal to place of what. According to the place of what, we can of course write at here 36. It is too easy question if you may apply the mathematical rules such as addition, subtraction, multiply or divide, cube or square root, then you may of course make this question. And you should be of course apply your common sense, because it of course based on zero level of mathematical rules. Okay, according to your next question, we have to find out the next number according to the place of what. There has been a rectangle in which 12 boxes, but one number has been missing. We have to of course find out what will be your next number written according to the place of what. First of all, we have to understand how has been written this number in these boxes. When 8 multiply 4, then we can get 256. 8 multiply 4, and then we get 256. According to the same process, we apply 6 multiply 10 multiply 2, then we get 120. Then we can of course write at 4 multiply 12 multiply what equal to 192. According to the place of what, we can of course write at here 192 by 4 multiply 12. According to the place of what, we can of course write at here 4. If you understand and getting to touching your heart, you may of course subscribe my channel Chorosky Mathematics 2.0. If you want, you may note it. According to your next question, there has been 3 triangles in which outside written some number. First of all, we have to understand how is written this number outside of this triangle. According to the Pythagoras theorem, we of course know that 5 to the square equal to 4 to the square plus 3 to the square. Okay? And 13 to the square equal to 12 to the square and 5 to the square. We of course write at here 13 to the square equal to 12 to the square plus 5 to the square. Then we can of course write at here 17 to the square equal to 15 to the square plus what to the square. According to the place of what, we can of course write it here 17 to the square minus 15 to the square. Okay. According to the place of what, 17 to the square equal to 289 minus 225 equal to 64. Or when we find out these terms of a square root, we can of course write it here according to the place of what equal to 8. So according to the place of what, we can of course write 8. Your answer. According to your next question, there has been a rectangle in which 12 boxes and one missing number. We have to understand how has been written this number in your boxes. when according to the first column 9 multiply 3 multiply 3, then we get 81. Okay, 9 multiply 3 multiply 3, then we get 81. Then 11 multiply 4 multiply 4, 11 multiply 4 multiply 4, then we get 126. Then we can of course apply the same process of third column. 13 multiply 7 multiply 5 equal to what? 13 multiply 35 equal to what? Equal to what? We can of course write at your space of what equal to 455. Understand? You may note it if you want. According to the next question, we have to find out missing number. There has been a circle in which 3 parallel lines. We have to understand how has been written this number inside these boxes. When 7 multiply 4, then we get 28. 7 multiply 4, then we get 28. Okay. 9 multiply 4, then we get 36. Then we can of course write at here 3 multiply 4 equal to 12. It is too easy question and asked many competitive examination. So it is so compulsory for your competition examination. If you want, you may of course note it. According to your next question, we have to find out the missing number. There has been 3 line in which written some number 4 3 144 11 9 9801 15 6 and what? We have to find out the missing number according to the place of what? When first of all you have to understand that how has been written this number inside and outside these lines, up and downs. First of all we have to understand when 4 multiply 3 equal to 12, 12 to the square, then we get 144. Okay, 4 multiply 3 equal to 12 and 12 to the square equal to 144. Then we can of course reapply the same process of second column. 11 multiply 9, 99. 99 to the whole square equal to 9801. Then we can of course write at here for the third column of or apply the same process of mathematical. 15 multiply 6 equal to 30. 30 to the whole square equal to 900. Sorry, 90 to the square equal to 8100. If you may understand, whereas I hope you may of course understand this process of mathematical tools for reasoning classes. It is too easy when you will be revision on your home, at your home, and apply all the mathematical rules. It will be too easy for you and for your life. Then you may of course making any type of missing number in your examination to such as this question. According to your next question, there has been 3 circles and written outside 4 number but inside 1 number. But according to the third circle, there has been missing inside number. We have to find out what will be written your next number inside this circle. According to the first circle, we have to understand that's how has been written this number outside and inside of this circle. According to the first circle, according to the when 9 divided by 3 and 16 divided by 4 or be added, then we get first of all we have to understand how has been written this number. 27 divided by 3 and 16 divided by 4, 16 divided by 4 or 27 divided by 3, then we can of course write at 13. According to this question, it of course based on divide and add. When 16 divided by 4 and 27 divided by 3, then we get inside a number in the circle. Okay. According to the second circle, we of course apply the same process for second circle. 65 divided by 13 or 42 divided by 7, or we added, then we get middle number of 11. Okay. Then the third circle, for the third circle, we can of course write at here 22 divided by 9 or 22 divided by 8, and we added, then we get 17. According to the place of what, we can of course get 17. If you want, you may of course note it. If my video getting to touching your heart and you may understand how has been written and making this question, you may of course subscribe my YouTube channel Chaurasia Mathematics 2.0, because there has been all the subjects such as mathematics, reasoning, science, GK, GS and many other competition examination where of costly video available in my YouTube channel. If you want, you may of course subscribe my YouTube channel Chaurasia Mathematics 2.0, and want to help me, you may of course share my video.